Good morning, you guys. Today we are going to talking about one important concept, annuity due. So, what is the difference between annuity and annuity due? Okay, so simply state, annuity due, we will receive one more interest payment. Okay, we will receive one more interest payment. So, annuity due, how to calculate the annuity due? It's very simple. Calculate the annuity first, calculate the annuity, and then multiplied by one more interest payment. Okay, I think interest. Okay, so read the question and then calculate the annuity first and then calculate the annuity due. Okay, so an investor is to receive a 17-year 8500 annuity with the first payment to be received today. So here received today means please calculate annuity due. Our discount rate, interest rate is 9.5%. Okay, so put here our discount rate, future value equals 0, and then our payment goes here. So here I use positive sign because this is our this will be cash inflow, right? If this is cash outflow, you should use negative sign. Okay, so please remember, if cash inflow, use positive sign. If cash outflow, use negative sign. Okay, so compute present value. All right, this will be our annuity. This will be our annuity. So if I ask you, hey, please calculate annuity, answer will be B. However, here we should calculate the annuity due, and then we must multiply this part, right? Second part. So multiplied by 1 point discount rate 0.95. So answer will be C. Okay? Hope it helps you well. Thank you.